Alright, y'all. Hello, everyone out there. I just got to 200 subscribers. Appreciate y'all on that. Today we're going to be changing oil on the 1998 Dodge Ram. It's a little 3.9. Had this truck for about 16 years now. Had 120,000 on it when I got it. Now it's got 247,000. And it's been real good to me. I hadn't had to do that many repairs. Just minor maintenance stuff. Change oil every 3,000 miles, grease regularly, all that stuff. So gonna change the oil today. As I've said before, I'm real lucky to have a lift I can work with here. And I have to say, Chevrolet ought to take notes on this, cause this oil comes right out the bottom and it don't get all over everything. Not even your hands. Alright, and just give that a little snug. That ought to be good. And now we'll get the filter off, which is right above your head there. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to film that while I'm getting it off, but we'll see. Alright, there's the filter. It's pH 16. I recently learned that Fram filters probably are not the best. Saw a video on YouTube, a guy cut a bunch of filters apart. But it's done me for 127,000 miles. I probably am going to be changing soon based on that video, but I had one more that I already pre-bought, so. Yeah, I'm not used to doing this one-handed here. Difficult to operate with one hand there. Come on. Oh, there it comes. Let that drain a while. I'll put the new one on here in a minute. Always be sure when you're changing your oil, make sure the oil filter gasket comes off. It should stay with the filter, but for some reason, every single time on this truck, maybe it's the Fram filter, I don't know, but it'll stay stuck to the truck. You don't want that stuck up there when you go to put the new one on. You want that clean surface there. Remember to always oil your gasket on the new filter. Alright, now let's go put it on. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing started up in here. There it goes. And on the box it's going to say how much to tighten it after it contacts the base. I like to take a Sharpie and put a mark on it That's how I know where one turn is. There are little marks on the filter and things you can kind of follow, but I just like to make a mark that I can reference. Alright. That's pretty much straight down. Alright. And this one is one turn after it contacts. I can never get it quite one turn. You can see my marks right there. So I get the wrench and finish it up, but you definitely don't want to torque on it and tear it up. Alright, that's one turn. You can see my mark there. Plugs in. I'm gonna grease everything good up under here. That's one of the things we did to this truck. It had the death wobble that Dodge's had in these years. Look up some videos, it's pretty crazy. The thing would start shaking, usually going into a curve. Kind of scary. But put that arm on. Put that arm on. And that's been, gosh, that's been 15 years ago. I'm getting old, y'all. So we're gonna grease everything up under here and it should be ready. Hopefully go another 3,000. Talk to y'all later. Bye now.